Welcome back. Well, 6 p.m. prime, last day of year 2020. I wouldn't have let you go without seeing my face. So let me start with the breaking news, just recapping what happened right at top of 6. The most important news for the students of class 10th and 12th. The board examinations have been announced. The education minister has said that the board examinations are going to be held from 4th of May to 10th of June. Practical exams will begin from 1st March. Class 12th and 10th students, their examination is going to begin from 4th May and the result is going to be announced on 15th July. So a delayed examination this time. That was the demand of many of the students because of the impact of the pandemic. Let's listen in to the education minister.
इन परिस्थितियों में बहुत आपसे संवाद करने के बाद और व्यापक परामर्श करने के बाद अब हम लोग इस निर्णय पर पहुंचे हैं कि जो बोर्ड की परीक्षा है हमारी, वो बोर्ड की परीक्षा जो 10वीं और 12वीं की जो बोर्ड की परीक्षा है, वो बोर्ड की परीक्षा 4 मई से प्रारंभ हो जाएगी और 4 मई से प्रारंभ होने वाली ये बोर्ड की परीक्षा हमको भरोसा है कि हम 10 जून तक इसको पूरा कर सकेंगे।
Ramesh Pokhriyal, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, the Education Minister, HRD Minister of India, announcing the dates. So the new, in fact, the dates have now come in. A lot of students now will be entering the new year, possibly with a timetable already set in their head. Let me go across to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, last day of year 2020 and education dates have been, the examination dates have been announced. Some students would be relieved, others would possibly, that have ruined their New Year plans. Their parents would be on their head asking them to study from word go.
Well, definitely, Ankit, let me tell you, I was definitely in the latter category. So you talked about the days when the examinations will happen, but the most important day is of the 15th of July, because that's when the results will be out, Ankit. And I remember clearly, the entire atmosphere of the house was so tensed. Everyone was just staring at the screens, including me, just waiting for the results to be out. But yes, one of the good things is that we will definitely have the 10th and the 12th board examinations. The minister very clearly saying a lot of rounds of consultations did take place with the teachers and with students also. So definitely the good thing is the students do have time to prepare themselves, and the very crucial results will be out on the 15th of July, which definitely means that the entire year will not be spoiled. So very crucial dates coming out on the last day of 2020. But yes, now in many households, something which you and I cannot see, but we do know it's happening at the moment. Most of the parents will be on the heads of the students asking them, Ab to kitabein khol lo. Now you know the final date. So now definitely open up your books and start studying. Back to you, Ankit.
Absolutely. So now the deadline is in. There are going to be two kind of students today. One who are going to let their hair down and party on the last day and then get to studies, and the others, those who will be, in fact, will not be very happy with the education minister announcing the dates on the last day. Everything's said and done. The examinations will take place and the dates have now been announced. All right, Aishwarya, thank you for joining me. I don't want to take you to any gloomy news on the last day of the year. So the hope of a vaccine in the new year in India is getting stronger. The entire